So I always get asked, what type of shower head do I use every time I record myself washing my hair? So I've linked the shower head that I use right here. And you guys, this shower head is a game changer. There's a scalp massager attached to it so you can easily massage your scalp and it feels so good. But yeah, this is my filtered shower head and these are the silicone scalp massagers. And it has 3 spray modes. It has a rainfall mode, a spray mode, and a mix of both modes. And you can also take off the shower head and you can yeah